Ayan na. Papasok na si attorney, guys.
May 7 ba yan? Opo. May ano kami,
Interview sila.
special coverage po kasi.
Special coverage daw sila, guys.
Kasola.
Dito yung mga...
Yung panelo ha. Hello.
Diba? Okay, kasama natin nga dito sa Attorney Panelo. Sir, alam namin nagmamadali ka pero as you came here as an observer, patingin ka aliado at abogado ni former President. Ano mo ang masasabi niyo sa pag-sabi ng defense?
Well, Attorney Kaufman did not disappoint.
Bumaba internet namin.
Obviously, he has prepared himself case
Ayun na, okay. Bumaba.
submission.
Bumaba.
He has thoroughly studied this case. He read all the speeches of the President, and he pointed out the obvious fact that the prosecution has been lifting
Practice. Napipiwa ko pa po.
the very speeches which show exonerating statements.
Apo. Just in case lang. Kasi kanina diba
He also
nagkakapo.
read all
Nasa tayo niya isa.
pertinent
Yes.
documents cited by the prosecution and pointed
Okay.
to the fact that the very documents presented by the prosecutors are the very documents that will exonerate the statement.
Sir, ano yung pinaka-striking doon ng Thursday po? Sa mga, ano yung pinaka-striking doon sa mga ideas sa presentation today? Attorney Kaufman.
Yung unang-una yung mga speeches na nasama lang nila yung mga kill. Yung pala doon sa the end of this speeches of the President, palagi sinasabi na if your lives are in danger, then you can kill under the principle of self-defense. You have to follow the rules and the law. Tama may speeches na ito. Tagal ko na nga sinasabi yung pangalawa, importante yung mga dokumento pinipresent ng prosecution nakalagay doon, neutralize. Sabi ko, neutralize o ibig sabihin, kill. So parang lumalabas. Yun ang dokumento that will show the murderous intent of the President at pinapakita yung commonality of design ng mga yung anong accused and the co-perpetrators. Pero lumalaman, yung mismong dokumento yun, habang nakalagay yung neutralized, ano nga ang basa nila, kaya nakalagay mismo doon na umaresto kayo nang naaayon sa batas. Kaya nabukin sila.
Attorney, pero sabi ni Attorney Nery Colmenares, mahina ang depensa. Your
Ang
reaction?
depensa, hindi pa pwedeng maging mahina. Ang prosecution, ang burden of proof to show na may ebidensya sila. The defense need not prove anything. Ang ginawa nga ng defense kanina, tinalakay niya lang yung mga ebidensya nila, pinakita yung kahinaan ng ebidensya nila.
But Attorney Kaufman, according to Attorney Nery, failed to debunk yung mga niraise mo ng prosecution in the earlier part of the hearing po.
Wala nga naman sabihin ng abogado yun na maganda yung presentasyon ni Attorney Kaufman. Natuloy lang yun. Alam mo, as I was telling one foreign journalist, kasi he was saying na yung mga sinasabi ni Attorney Kaufman, narinig niya na sa akin na noon pa. Kasi mga komentaryo ko, pareho lang kami. Sabi ko, alam po ninyo, you're an objective lawyer. You will be saying the same things that he has been saying in his submission and that I've been saying in my commentaries. But if you are a biased lawyer, you will be parroting the prosecution's line. Kailangan ka maging objective.
Tanong ba? Okay. Ivan to. Ivan.
Yes. Diba?
Okay.